Let's explore this interesting app which is called Snapwidget. It's kind of similar to Locket Widget app and to Noted Widget, and there are like so many similar apps in this category. Okay, I'll just try to search it again. Yep, so here you have it, Snapwidget photo and drawing. So the idea is exactly same as on Locket Widget. So you can add your loved one to your home screen. So you can just add a picture or photo of your loved ones to your home screen, share moments to your friends widget, draw doodle widgets for your friends. You can just draw, use drawings, or just add photos from your camera rolls. There is like a history, and then you can add your friends. So here is the app. This is how it looks like. Yeah, you can just take a photo and then send to your friends. Like to create an account, you just need to sign up with a phone number. I already did a video about that. So basically, I just need to take a photo, and then it just has this pop-up that you need to add friends. Once your friends accept your friend request, your photo can be uploaded to their home screen. So to add friends, I just tap in top right corner here. Then I just need to add friends, and then I just sync my contacts from my iPhone contact book, and then I can just add me as a friend on Snapwidget or something like that. And that should be that. Then you add friends, and then yeah, as well you need to have this widget installed. So I'll just show to you how to do it. So tap and hold until you see all these jiggles. Then there is like a snap widget. I just want to tap to add the widget here, and there you have it. After that it appears. So as you add any other widget, you add snap widget here, and on your widget you will see photos which your friends are sending to you, and if you snap any pictures, they will appear on your friend's home screen. So that's basically the idea. And yeah, so you can either take a photo or you can send a drawing, you can send some doodle, you can change the camera. Here is also some history, and you can also upload photos. So that's basically it, kind of like a universal app, very easy to use. In Locket Widget, you can only send camera photos. I don't think you can upload, and you can't draw in Locket Widget. Here you can draw. In some other apps like Noted Widget, you can also send a quick video to your friend's home feed. So yeah, that's about it. Here you can see all the explanations how to add the widget. You can just see all the feedback. If you want to delete an account or all your data, you can just reach out here at feedback and then just do it here. You can sign out or like the app. So that's basically the idea. So definitely give a try to this app. It seems it's very interesting and nicely done, cool design, and that's why probably it's in top charts in social networking. There are only 92 ratings so far. Average rating is 4.8 out of 5. Such a good idea, great concept. It actually works. Amazing, best app. So my friends try adding me, but you have to send a link, and when I press the link, it sends me to the App Store. So something is not working, but you can always reach out to app support if you just tap here. So then you can just reach out. So here you have some kind of contact form where you can just reach out to developers, and if there are some like big bugs, you can try to solve that. So hope overall this is helpful, and thank you for watching.